That's a pickup truck in front of them.
Slow speed chase?
I don't know. But that's clearly what's in front of them is a pickup truck.
It doesn't look like the truck has any lights on it.
It does not.
How's it going?
I wonder if it's a drunk driver.
Wouldn't surprise me.
Because there's a cop car in both lanes now. And they would do that to keep anybody else from getting hurt or getting up there and running into them. Fast are we going?
About 40.
Yeah. I don't know why they don't get this guy off the road and let the traffic go.
Probably because they ain't got no backup.
Are they slowing down?
The one in the fast lane keeps tapping his brakes.
There's two cop cars.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
One in each lane.
No, I thought there was two cop cars in the fast lane.
Mm-mm. There's one in each lane, and then the pickup truck's in front of them. I can't believe that they're letting this go on this long.
Maybe they're trying to get some more out in that area. Why didn't they do that, Kelly?
Mm-hmm. I don't think they're planning on taking them out.
What are you going to do? Escort them to the state line and then the Georgia's problem?
Possibly. Or wait for it to turn off onto another road. Something just turned down that road, but I don't think it was that truck.
They're slowing down again.
And I wish there was a number you could say, what in the hell is going on? We got two cop cars running down 301 side by side at 40 miles an hour.
Yeah, where's the 4011 for that one?
Yeah, really.
About the only thing you can do is call 911 and report it.
Pick up.
It's definitely a low-speed chase.
No, I think they need to make it get off the road.
I don't have the window down, for one.
Well, they're not running with sirens either.
Yeah, they're not making any noise.
No, they are. I hear it. I heard a siren. But I don't hear it now. Did they both just get in this lane?
Yep.
Yeah, they're both in this lane now. Now he's back over.
He's rolling blocker.
Yeah. They tried to chain. They put the chains out.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're trying to get this person off the road.
Well, it's all on video.
This is the longest speed chase I've ever seen. In Callahan to Hilliard.
I think they got him.
Yeah, I think they blew his tires. He finally can go no further.
Of course, light stopped.
I hear the sirens now too. Spotlight. I saw a spotlight too. And the other cop's coming from behind us.
Okay. He's in the middle of the road.
Yeah, cop car's trapped behind everybody now.
Is he coming up on the side of you?
Not that I can see.
All I can see is the lights.
Well, you can move to the side.
Yeah, but I can't tell if he's coming up the side. I don't want to block him.
He's not. Move to the side of the road. Not too far, son.
He's on the median.
Oh, he's running now.
You're kidding me.
I think he did.
Yep, he just got out of the car. Gun drawn.
That way.
He's pointed at him.
Go down your window. We're going to be sitting here a little bit.
What did he say?
Too much to drink.
Yeah.
They're all out of their cars.
Yeah.
They're moving one over.
Yeah. They're gonna let traffic go.
To wait on a third car to spike strip him.
Yeah, I guess.
And at this hour, the only one that was available was probably the one in Hilliard.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
No.
They need to write that guy a ticket. They ain't got nobody out directing traffic.
Now
They are. Thank you. Thank you.
It flattened all over his tires.
Yeah, they had to